So now we're on 8.2. Starts on page 250, and it's mainly the significance of party identification in America today. The first one is party image, and most people think they know what the Republicans and the Democrats stand for, and I think you guys probably do more than most, but you need to understand that not all conservatives are Republican or staunchly Republican, and not all liberals are really Democrat. They are different, and it's just probably the easiest way to understand it is to what degree they believe those things. All right, party identification is a self-proclaimed preference for one party or another. You know, I identify, and my party identification is as a Republican. Okay. On the top of page 251, and by the way, there's very few things with 8.2, so this is really short. But and you don't need to write this down, but you need to know that you need to kind of you can look on figure 8.2 as well, but party identification in the United States has changed over time, where in 1952 to 1980, there were Democrats greatly outnumbered the Republicans. In 1964, there were twice as many Democrats. And then in 2012, Republicans trailed the Democrats by only 9%. So, and now, even more so, 2012, 44% of the population call themselves independent. And I think that's moving in that direction even more. Ticket splitting is where voting with one party for one office and the other party for another office. I've done that a lot, especially in presidential elections. I vote for the person more than the party, even though I am a registered Republican. And you've seen that a lot in Kentucky, which is predominantly Republican. We have had a number of Democratic governors. I think it's the last 50 years we've had 2 Republican governors, but the Congress has been controlled by Republicans for the most part. And it's because people vote for governor, they vote more for the person than the party, whereas in Congress they tend to vote more for the party. And that's all for 8.2.